welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we're going to be talking about Jacquemus. Couple of years, Jacquemus has been going crazy, but I feel like this year a lot of people started to pay attention to the designs because a lot of other retailers started to do similar looks. I want to help share with you some look for less ideas for a pricier brand like Jacquemus. So let's get into it.
I was at the Hermes store and I got my Balenciagas.
Anyways, one of my favorite pieces from Jacquemus this season are the cropped blazers. I spoke about in one of my vlog videos how crop blazers were so on trend back in the 90s and how Chanel did it and whatnot. It's just so cool to see everything redone again. The Jacquemus ones are good looking. Quite a few of them from places like Zara. I was this close to buying the beige one. I'm also obsessed with naked fashion, and they have a few colorful and neutral styles as well too that look amazing. And of course, you might not even have to spend a single dime. You could actually DIY it yourself, which I featured in my DIY don't buy video because sometimes you could just save a lot more that way. And that ended up stopping me from spending like $100 at Zara on a blazer. This trend from Jacquemus probably might have been the biggest clothing trend that I've seen around. Knitted matching sets. It's a little bit too skimpy for me. Like, I just feel like you would definitely need to be putting an oversized blazer on top of it, or like a very oversized cardigan. Everybody's modesty runs different, so really just gauge it for yourself and see what you would do. I think the knit set is cute, like whether you're wearing it like outside with something covered up or indoors like completely alone. I have this garage knit top which I'm wearing. I get it, honestly the girls are looking crazy in this. Like, this is why I made sure I sized up in this, because I'm like, I know it's a smaller top, but at least it does cover like a little bit longer that way as well too. I think it's really cute and like worn with like something over top of it, but like it's such a pretty like delicate like strap to like kind of one shoulder. I think it's really pretty. There are matching shorts as well too. I'm not sure if they're still available, but even if they're not, H&M has a bunch of them. I just ordered this version from them as well too. I think it's more of like a taupey brown color, and I think it would be another nude addition because, again, little tops like these like are on rotation in my closet, especially during the summer. So, and they're really, really affordable. I have so many matching knit shorts. Like, guys, you can really spend like $40 or less on this set. You really don't have to spend. The Jacquemus one isn't crazy expensive, but you don't need to be spending $200 on this set. By the way, don't sleep on Simons. Simons has a really cute knit like top bralette tank thing as well. I also want to make it a point to say as well too, around this time Jacquemus ready to wear is on sale, especially like on places like Essence, so I will have it linked down below for you guys to shop. I feel like a lot of his ready to wear pieces like aren't over the top expensive, like in comparison to other brands, right? A relatively new designer, so you gotta take advantage of these prices now, because I'm telling you, gonna skyrocket. So a lot of his pieces are currently on promotion, so you guys can take a peek as well too. Now it's time to talk about the Le Chiquito bag and some dupe ideas that I have in mind. If I'm being 1000% honest with you guys, I only recommend things to you guys that I would purchase myself, and I just have not seen a handbag that looks as accurate as this. I feel like hats off to Jacquemus for doing this. You created such a unique piece that's so highly coveted and sought after, and is just sold out everywhere. That's what you should be doing as a designer. Doing something different, you know, stay in your lane, and if the girlies like it, they like it, but like they're obsessed. And to be honest, that's exactly why I bought it. So for me, when I make designer purchases, it's because I don't see something really as similar elsewhere, or I just want better quality, or just something unique overall. And I completely got this with this piece, so it was well worth the money. Picked up that pink bag, love it, it's great, it's amazing. I spoke to you guys about these swinger bags by Coach in my trends video. Such a good similar vibe to this is the pink monogram swinger. My sister picked this up and we were screaming together. I was like, okay, oh my gosh, so cute. Like, it is so nice, and that in my eyes would be the most similar to this bag, and I can also vouch for it because I picked it up myself just in the navy version. Shoulder bags are trending tremendously this season. A lot of the ones I would recommend to you are probably around the $200 price point because that's really what I would purchase. And I want you guys to have quality, but you don't always have to spend like $1,000, right? And I hands down recommend you guys pick up the pink swinger bag, the monogram one, now, okay? Because Coach is that girl, and a lot of people are on it, but a lot of people are on the tabby bag, okay? Like, get on the swinger now. Also, another really cute kind of option that's kind of giving me La Chiquita vibes is this Simon Miller velvet bag, retro bag. This is really cute. Like, I would totally buy this. It has that really cute top handle like the nude bag, and it's suede as well too, very rich, and like, do you remember this model? Okay, like she's always going crazy. I don't hear a lot of people talking about C by Chloe, but I love their clothing. First off, I'm actually wearing a pair of pants by them as well too. I've had this for a couple of years. A good quality, I guess I could call it sister brand. I can't remember the exact wording for it. This brown version giving me nice cute boho 70s vibes, and I just feel like that top handle that you can take off, but it also has like the crossbody strap, giving me the same vibes as the Jacquemus, and also kind of same vibes as the swinger as well too. This Swiss shirt is cute. Like, should I still buy this? A good alternative is this version from Zara. I think there was a matching skirt with it as well too, which a lot of bloggers I know we're looking at, so hopefully it's still available for you guys. Another good piece by Jacquemus that is worth a dupe if I can find it is from Naked. This crisscross detail is really cool. It just accentuates your waistline, and I think it's just a nice twist on a classic look. Epitome of my style. I like basic things with a twist. It's always so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you and made you realize, like, not all the time you have to spend top dollar on some of these designers. It's okay if you don't want to splash out sometimes. So let me know if you guys want me to do this video on some other designers and whatnot, and I will do my best for you. Watch these other videos that you may have missed. Click my head to subscribe and click the bell so you know when I post weekly videos. And follow me on Instagram. You know, again, as per usual, we're having a good time. And I will see you in my next one.